Hey guys, Tara here from Superhairpieces. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We are testing out fake products that we purchased online. So I've yet to test any of these products out, but we are going to test them out to verify, you know what, is there a difference between buying our products, which are tried and true from where we purchase them from, or is it better to purchase somewhere else for a lot less, not knowing what you're getting? So we're gonna look at a few different things with these products, so hopefully you too can be educated on if you have ordered a product online and if it is actually not the real thing. We're gonna start off with the all well-known Ghostbond. So on my right-hand side, we have the Ghostbond XL, which we can get off of our website. Fake products are going to be on this hand, and the legitimate product is going to be on this hand. So I'll have my assistant come over. Okay, it's good. All right, and then you wanna spread that around until you have a nice thin layer, evenly everywhere. So as much as you have to spread, that's good, but just get a nice even layer everywhere. This one looks a lot thicker. You can tell just by the way it comes out. There's a little bit more thicker consistency to it. It's not as watery. I can tell that just by how it looks. So this one is a lot thicker. You can just tell that it has a thicker consistency. I'm gonna smell them both. Yeah, see, they smell different. This one definitely smells like how Ghostbond usually smells. And this one, it has definitely a different smell. I don't know, I couldn't tell you what the smell is. It just does not smell the same. Ghostbond has a very specific smell to it. So this one seems to be drying faster, even though it is a thicker consistency. So though this one went on a lot thinner, it's taking its time to dry. Now that they're both dry, this one taking a lot longer than this one. I do notice that, you know, it does look a little thicker. So we're gonna try to make sure that we get a really good thick coat on this hand, just because I really wanna make sure that even the thickness, I know this product went on runnier, that we do have very even coats going on, because I don't want anyone to think that we're biased and we're not doing a good experiment. So we can go ahead. We're gonna apply this one again. I'm going to do the touch test. So I'm going to touch each one just to see if anything happens. So this one seems to be good stick, but it comes off on my finger fairly easy. This one, it's a little bit of a more of a stick again. Yeah, so it definitely has a lot more stick to it. This one comes off. I do have a little bit of residue on this one from this hand, but not as much. This one seems to be coming right off on my finger. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, that's showing me how fast this one's breaking down with just water. I haven't even wiped it off yet, but that's the reaction to the water, just water, and the adhesive itself. All right, well, it looks like it's definitely disrupting the actual glue. So this glue is not really budging at this point. Wow, that's some really good glue. And then do this one, please. It is starting to break down a little bit. You can see with the alcohol, it is starting to break down the glue, but you can tell the glue is still on my hand. I don't know if you can see on camera, this hand is essentially has nothing on it. Like, that glue is gone. It did nothing, didn't stay. So, versus this one, like I can still peel this glue off my hand. It's still on there. I would have to go and clean this off really good with some solvent and let that soak on there to get this glue off my skin. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's our conclusion. I mean, it's pretty obvious that just with water, this Ghostbond literally started breaking down almost immediately. So what does that say to me? That says that you're running the risk when you put on this glue that your system's not gonna last you past a shower. However, this Ghostbond, the real stuff, even with some remover, it still had a hard time coming off. So you're more than safe with this real Ghostbond when you're attaching your system. In the end, what do you want to pay for? Do you want to pay for a cheaper product that won't even last you through the day, or something that's going to last you weeks? It's your decision. Thanks for watching, guys.